Hi class, we need to take a look at circles and ellipses, which are almost the same equation. And I'm only going to be using this formula because the main objective is for us to provide a sketch and then also to express it in h comma k form. Now, the main idea here is that when a is equal to b, your equation is technically a circle. Because you can multiply both of those by whatever value we happen to have here, and that's going to actually be absorbed on the right hand side, and then you technically have the equation of the circle. Now, this is all I need. A basic sketch for each of the actual equations, and then also I may ask you to recognize them on a future examination. So the first one happens to be a circle. The actual center is whatever value makes this 0. So in this case 0. And then whatever value makes this 0. So this one's going to be at 0, 2. The actual radius, it's technically the square root of that. So this will be 2. Because you can express the equation as x squared plus y minus 2 squared is equal to 2 to the second. And now it fits the r squared. So all I need you to do is a basic sketch. We're going to put the center at technically 0, 2. So 1 and 2. And then from here, we're going to actually go 2 units in every direction. So technically 1 and 2. This is going to be another point, 1 and 2, another point, and 1 and 2, another point. So all I need you to do is connect it. If it looks like an ellipse, it's perfectly fine. We're doing these by hand. So that's going to be our circle, which has a center at 0, 2 and a radius of 2. Now, the second equation, it's going to be in the following form. So let me rewrite it as x minus 2 squared divided by 2 to the second plus y plus 3 squared divided by 3 squared, and this is equal to 1. So technically this one is an ellipse with the actual center at 2, -3. So let me actually put the center there. So this is 2, -3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That's there. And then since we're only doing a sketch, I'm going to be defining the constant underneath the x's as a. So in this case, a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. So from the actual center, we're going to go a values to the right. So in this case, 2 units. That's going to be another point and technically another point. And then on the y's, 3 units. So 1, 2, 3, it's going to be here. 1, 2, and 3, it's going to be there. That's going to be our actual ellipse. Let me actually connect it. Okay, so our center, and let me fix this. Our center, it's at 2, -3. From the center, we're going to go 2 units to the right and to the left, and then 3 units up. Yep. Obviously not to scale, but I just want a basic sketch. And since your circles may look like ellipses, I may be asking you to identify it. That's actually it for this one.